Hello YouTubers, hello love. So love has been requesting for this recipe, so love, this is for you. So on today's menu is AnneBetty's homemade fish pie. Not the fish pie with the dough, not the patties. This is fish pie, the proper English fish pie made with potatoes. So if you haven't subscribed yet, can you please subscribe and hit the notification button so you know first that whenever a new recipe is uploaded. And if you like what you see, give me some thumbs up. This encourages me to give you more. So let's go on to our ingredients for today. So I've got 650 grams of potatoes. I'm going to peel, boil, and use it for our mash. And I've got fish. This is haddock. I've got half smoked and half hasn't been smoked, and some king prawns. This is very optional. It's fish pie. Like, you know me, I always go the extra mile, so I've added a bit extra. If you don't want that, you can omit it. This can be omitted, I'm saying it again, but this is me. I always go extra. And I've got 60 grams of Gruyere cheese, 60 grams of mozzarella, and that's 60 grams of cheddar. So I'm going to teach you how to grate your own cheese at home, because the store grated one, when you buy it grated, they add stuff to it so it doesn't get stuck together. But if you grate it yourself, then you know you're getting the authentic cheese. And I'm going to use double cream, so this is organic double cream. I've got some breadcrumbs. This is about 100 grams. Worcestershire sauce, AnneBetty's mixed spice, AnneBetty's mixed herbs, and I've got about 20 grams of ginger. I've got dill, sage, and some mint, and my yellow habanero pepper. You know I love the yellow. And I've got 5 cloves of garlic, 1 stalk of spring onion, and half onion. I'm going to blend this and use it to marinate the fish, and we'll get on with our cooking. If you don't want it to be spicy, you can omit this, or you can take out the seeds just to give you the flavor. This gives you, it makes it so aromatic. So if you don't want it too spicy, you can take out the seeds, or you can omit it altogether. So it's all blended. I've scooped 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce, the spice mix, and the herbs. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to marinate the fish, and in it will go into the oven. Not just the fish, and the prawns. So I'm coating my pie dish so that it doesn't stick. So this is unsalted butter. Now you arrange it nicely. So remember I said I have the smoked one and the unsmoked one. So this is one smoked, one unsmoked, just to give a variation in the taste. So this is the smoked one and the unsmoked one. So see how I've arranged it so that in every scoop you get prawns, you get the fish. It's looking yummy already. So in it goes into the oven, and this has been preheated. It's been preheated to 200 degrees. That's the water to cook the potatoes, and I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of salt. You need to season your water to make your potatoes tasty when you cook it. So I'm now going to peel it, then we boil. And one thing about potatoes, when you're boiling potatoes, don't use hot water. It should start with cold water, and you cook it all together. You shouldn't put it in warm water first, otherwise some parts get cooked before the middle part and the sides get squishy. But when you use cold water first, then it all cooks uniformly. I peel my potatoes using the potato peeler. If you don't have a peeler, you can use your knife, but the peeler makes it go really quick, and you don't take, it's just the peel that comes off, so you don't waste your potatoes. And I'm using the Royal Jersey potatoes. I love it. They are so yummy. But you can use roasting potatoes or any of the potatoes you use for baking. I just prefer the Royal Jersey potatoes. Potato is done, see? The knife goes through. So now I'm going to drain it and we mash it up, mash it up, mash it up. Well, the fish has been in for 10 minutes and now I'm taking it out so it doesn't overcook. Mash it up, mash it up, mash it up. I add my butter and I mash. While smashing, I add the double cream. I'm not making it too smooth as I want some texture in it. So if you can see, there are bits in it. It gives it texture. So it's done. I'm going to add the cheese. So I didn't grate the cheddar, so now I'm going to grate it. You just grate it yourself and use it. I'm not going to grate, I'm going to leave some to garnish the top of my pie. A bit of the Gruyere and a bit of the mozzarella, and I'll leave the rest for topping. And I season my mash, so a bit of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon and black pepper. The mash is ready and I'm going to top it up. I'll leave a bit so I can pipe it and garnish it nicely. So I've leveled it up and now I'm going to pipe it. I'm going to do some rosettes. I'm topping it up with the cheese. Then I top it up with the breadcrumbs to give it a crunchy top. So in it goes. I'm going to leave it to bake for 45 minutes. And it's on 200. So it's been 45 minutes and look at the yummy goodness, people. It's done. I'm going to make some vegetables and we'll add it to it and I'll dish it out. You get the crackling sound. It's so crispy on the top. Yummy, yummy. Oh. This looks so good, people. And look at the side. So the fish, the prawns. This is really yummy. It is yummy. If you like what you've seen, give me some thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know first time whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you like all the dishes you've seen and you want to wow your guests or want private tuition on how to cook these amazing dishes or catering services, all my contact details are in the description button below. So just hit me and I'll help you wow your guests. And also all the ingredients are always in the videos, so always look out for the list of ingredients in the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings.